Nou op 2026 en hier is 'n klomp nuwe goeders, onder andere by Mahindra, hulle nuwe Auja reeks. Nee, ek praat hier met Greg. Hy gaan my meer vertel presies wat is hy daai trekkertjies, nee? Klein gaan trekker daai. Ons nog 'n paar van hulle gaan ons bietjie deurvat. Hoe pas hy by jou boerdery in? Wat gee hy vir jou? Kom ons luister 'n bietjie. Oop, let me just get it fine. Greg, how's it?
Hey, lekker in YouTube.
Nee, wat doodstil rustig. Okay. So, julle nuwe Auja reeks,
Ja.
nee? Verduidelik my gou vinnig, eerste ding is, waarvoor staan Auja? Wat is hierdie besigheid?
Yeah, so Oja is our new range of tractors, our
Yes.
smaller horsepower. It's a compact tractor, it's a versatile tractor. So we look at it as every job made easy with
Yes.
the Mahindra Ojas. So we currently just launched our two models, so full hydrostat models, 2123 being 21 the series, 23 the horsepower, and a 2126 being 21 the series and 26 being the horsepower.
So iemand het opgelet wat die nommers aanbetref, nee. So ek hoef nie hoërgraad wiskunde te hê om dit te verstaan nie.
Yeah.
Love it.
100%.
Okay, kom ons begin gou sommer met hierdie ouetjie, né? Want die een ding wat ek vir jou kan sê is, dis 'n wragtige mooi trekker, né? Hulle het bietjie moeite gedoen wat die styling aanbetref.
Yeah, so with these, you'll see these with Mahindra being the number one selling tractor in the world by volume. This actual range has been launched throughout various other countries, and today we get to launch it in South Africa.
Yeah.
It's been a long time coming, but we had to make sure that we were ready for the South African market. And we think that what we've spec'd here with the 4 different combinations, this is purpose built for the South African compact farming segment.
Dis nou jou lekker soos druiwe, groente, jy weet all your orchards, those types of things.
100%.
Apples.
You name it, from strawberries, blueberries, to table grapes, to spraying, to turf care, the golf courses. We've got mower decks available. We've got front end
Nou by daai
loaders.
gaan draai.
We've got backhoe loaders, all heavy duty, highest in their class.
And this is like a combo. Ek wil sê hierso is nou 'n mini TLB as jy nou een
Correct.
soek het, né?
Correct.
So I'd say front loader
Front end loader,
and then at the back hier het ek sê lekker blaaigraafie
backhoe attachment, yep.
en dis maar die ding gaan lekker werk, né? Het julle vir my sê op Speer ek moet 'n swembad gaan grawe daar by my.
Well, the nice thing is it's not very wide. So
Yeah.
for contractors and landscapers, this is probably perfect. There isn't a combination like this at the moment in South Africa where you can quick attach a backhoe, front end loader, as well as have a mid-mount
Because
PTO.
I'm really thinking, and I'm really thinking of doing a swimming pool, but there was literally no way for me to get something in there to go and
To
dig
around the
this.
back, yeah. With
Right.
this and the backhoe, you don't want your pool too deep, but this
So,
can dig to 2.3 meters.
Ons gaan besigheid praat, né? Right, maar wait, het julle hom uitmekaar uitgetrek, né? So he's just the attachments of
Yeah.
that is basically
Just split to show you that it's a single operation. You as the South African farmer can purchase just the tractor. You can then at a later stage add on the front end loader, the backhoe, or the mower deck, or any other attachment.
Okay, wag, so jy wil vir my sê ek koop een trekker,
Ja.
né? Ek kan nou met hom gaan bietjie grawe in die sand agter. Ek kan met hom gaan laai daar aan die voorkant.
Yep,
En as ek daar klaar is, dan gaan sny ek my gras met hom.
100%.
So die ding kom net aan die onderkant in.
Correct, and that mounts to your mid-mounted PTO. So it's got independent front and
Yeah.
rear and mid PTO with a push button.
En dan hardloop hy.
Then it runs at 2,500 RPM. So it is, and it will cut, your belly mower will cut between 1 and 4 inches.
Right, nee. Kost. Geef vir my 'n prys wat my gaan opgewonde maak. Plus minus, I'm not going to keep it to you forever, maar ek soek 'n prys.
So 100%. As we look at this unit, the actual tractor, so let's actually look at this one,
Yeah.
split. The tractor alone is on an introductory special here at Nampo for 184,900 Rand excluding that.
lieg. Dek. Salon maar as ek 'n dek bysit.
So if you put the deck, we'll work out a combination deal,
Yeah.
and what we'll do is I shall send you the pricing. You can link it with all of your followers. And at Nampo, if you come and order, we've got limited stock, but we will have a great deal here for you.
Yes, hierdie dinge maak my opgewonde, nê. Okay, kom die kant op, nê. Kom die kant om. Wys my net gou hierso, nê. So hierso het ek four-wheel drive. Nee?
Correct.
Right. Daai is wat is die ding? Slow fast. Dis my lift.
That's for your lifts.
Nee.
Yep.
Slow fast en
That is for your height of your mower at the bottom.
By the bottom en dan hierdie is wat? Die flop.
Yeah.
Okay. Jy weet wat ek love van Mahindra, né? They're not trying to reinvent the wheel. Hulle wil nie die goeters.
Yep.
Ek weet presies waar's wat op die trekker. Want is 'n trekker.
100%.
Okay, kom ons gaan ek wil die kant kom.
Ja.
En hy sê is hydrostatic. Né?
Hydrostatic, so you'll have a look. You've got a low, medium and high range.
Ja.
You've basically got a forward and reverse pedal. So when you have your
And-
operators, there's no changing of gears. You set your speed. You can either control it via your foot pedals, or you have a cruise control function here, or basically your accelerator that sits over here.
Die grootste verrassing op Nampo, nê. Luister hier nê. Toe ons hierdie interview gestart het ek nou nie gedink ek gaan so opgewonde wees oor die trekker nie, nê. Want jy kan letterlik alles met die ding doen,
Ja.
nê?
Yeah, there's no need to now have 3 or 4 different tractors. You can have one tractor as the workhorse and many attachments, saving you time and money.
Jy sien, daai werk Greg. Dankie baie.
Thanks, Jippy.
Okay, luister hier, as jy die grootste verrassing op Nampo wil sien, kom by Mahindra uit, nê. Daai trekkertjie, hey, waar gaan jy heen? Kom terug, nê. Right. Julle maar verskoon, nuwe kamera. Hy het sy eie triks en geite, ons is nog besig om hom uit te figure, nê. Right so daar agter, nê. Kom jy by Mahindra uit? Kom kyk daar, dan kry jy sommer laaigraf, back actor, snymasjien, alles in een. Ek het nooit gedink ek gaan daai woorde sê nie. Hier van Farm Space tot volgende keer. Groete.